Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take an in-depth look at Crosse Technology EH-23SA Howard Stainless Steel Atomic Watch User Manual. Overview. Specifications. Change time zone. Select digital display. Set time and date. To manually set the time and date. Manual search for atomic time signal. Realign the hands. Warranty support. Warnings. Battery replacement. Due to the watch's design, battery replacement might be difficult and require professional assistance. Signal reception. The watch relies on radio signals to synchronize its time. Magnetic fields. Avoid exposing the watch to strong magnetic fields, as they can interfere with its internal components and potentially damage it. Water resistance. While the watch is often water resistant, it's not recommended for diving or swimming. Temperature extremes. Avoid exposing the watch to extreme temperatures, as this can affect its performance and battery life. Shock resistance. While the watch is designed to be durable, excessive shocks or drops can damage it. Customer support. If you encounter issues with your watch, it's important to contact Crosse Technology's customer support for assistance. Troubleshootings. Timekeeping and accuracy. Ensure you're in an area with good radio signal reception. No signal reception. Check if you're in a location with known radio signal interference. Battery issues. If the battery is low or dead, replace it promptly. Display problems. If the display is blank or distorted, check the battery and ensure it's making proper contact. Button malfunction. If the buttons are unresponsive, check for any physical obstructions or damage. Water damage. If the watch has been exposed to water and is malfunctioning, avoid turning it on or attempting to dry it. Software issues. If the watch's software is malfunctioning, try resetting it as described in the user manual. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.